Hello everyone, this is Purvi Panchal and hope you are enjoying my videos the past 2-3 days on leg burners. I have been sharing variations with squats, variations with lunges, and I hope you're all trying that at your place. So please do try them and don't forget to send me your feedback. Well, what are we going to talk about today? Today is a very interesting topic because we are going to speak about one of the most interesting and big and necessary muscle in our body. We'll come to that later. Have you all observed the modern lifestyle? You know, seated jobs and the toilets having western commodes, and we reducing our physical activities. Of course, we realize all of this and we go to gyms and we work out at home and functional training and what not. But there are certain things that we might be missing. Have you ever thought why these things happen? Let me tell you why.
There are times when we go to pick up something and ouch, a back is caught. Or maybe we are dancing to our favorite music and there's a catch in the back. Or are you reading something sitting down and then you get up from the chair and then you're like, oh my god, I'm not able to stand straight. What are all these things like? And I'm not able to sit down in a squat, I'm not able to keep my heels down. Oof. Exercises like squats, lunges, hip bridges are what we do in gyms regularly to strengthen our butt. Do you all agree with me? But no matter how many squats or lunges or bridges you perform, if your glutes are not strong, then there's no use.
I hope you enjoyed the previous clips and understood what the real problem is. Now, let us have a look at few exercises that we can do to activate the glute muscles. So, glute is nothing but your butt. And we see various videos on how to grow your butt, how to strengthen your butt. In real life scenario, how does this exercise help? They help you in making your basic functionality better. Picking up things from the floor becomes easier. You know how to pick it up, you know what muscle to activate. Of course, I hope you all agree that everything involves muscle activation. So, keeping all things aside, let's go into the exercises that you can do on a daily basis at your home to activate your glutes for your that stronger butt. Let's go.
Let us now see few variations of activating your glutes.
exercises that you can include in your warm up, in your workout, or wherever you want, no matter what fitness level you belong to. If you are a beginner, you may do this as workout and feel the burn on your booty. If you are not, you may still do them as your warm up and then proceed to your strengthening movements. So just remember, no exercise is for a particular fitness level. You can modify them according to your body needs. All you have to do is focus on what you are actually doing and get your basics right. So don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you tomorrow with another interesting topic. Till then, don't forget to work there.